It's Jackie from the Marengo-Union Library, here to show you how to make the adult craft for the end of June. What we'll be making today is we'll be making a decoration, perhaps maybe for your garden. Oops, this is coming off. Or maybe for even inside, okay? And that's what it's going to look like when you're finished. All right. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use your glass bowl, and you're going to rinse that off with rubbing alcohol or wash it real well to make sure there's no residue on there, okay? And then you're also going to have a vase too in your kit, and some gems and some rocks. So first thing you want to do is you want to fill your vase with some rocks, which I'll provide, or you might want to use some sand if you decide you want to use some of these rocks for your decoration. So I filled my vase up, maybe halfway with rocks. All right. Okay, I can put that to the side, and now I'm going to work on my bowl. Okay, so I'm going to take my bowl and I'm going to decide, what kind of pattern do I want to use? So look at the gems that you have and kind of maybe plan out like a pattern perhaps, or you can just put them up there anywhere, okay? And you also might want to use some of these rocks too. Although if you use the rocks and the gems for that matter too, you're going to want to also wash those off too, because they tend to have a little bit of maybe an oily substance. All right, then you can use a hot glue gun, or if you really want to make it last for a long time, maybe use some super glue, okay? I realize super glue can be a little bit scary. You don't want to get it on your hands, but it will last longer though. Oops, okay. And the one nice thing about the hot glue gun though is that if you want to move things around, you can just take them off when they dry, and they dries pretty quickly with the hot glue. Okay, so there you can see I've decorated my bowl. All right, and if you want to add some more color to your bowl, you can paint the inside if you want with maybe some paint. Just maybe a light coating of paint, and then I'll give color to your bowl, to your decoration. I will show that to you in a minute. All right. And you'll let that dry, and after that's dry, then what you're going to do is you're take some hot glue, or like I suggest getting maybe some super glue, okay, and put that on the rim, okay, and then put your bowl on top of there. Oops. Yeah, some of the gems are coming off with the hot glue, so it's very easy. You just put them back on. There we go. All right, and then you have your design or your decoration for your garden, okay? All right. Just remember though, it is glass, so probably keep it away from the dog. I know my dog likes to run around my decorations and stuff, so I'll make sure I put my project away from her so she can't knock it over. All right. Well, I hope you have fun doing this, being creative. We'll see you again next month, okay, for another fun craft, all right? All right, thanks for joining me. Bye.